Hello mga studs! Ang problem natin sa ngayon, although ganito siya nakapresenta, no? Pero this is still a multiple choice questions. Nandito lang yung choices sa taas, A, B, C, D. Andito naman ang mga questions sa baba. So lahat ng ito is related doon sa bank reconciliation, specifically yung mga reconciling items. So para mas maintindihan ninyo yung konsepto ng reconciliation at kung kanino ito ini-effect, kung saang side ba ito binabawas or dinadagdag. So this is adapted question from the book of Sir Avila, Ma'am Daisy de la Cruz. In preparing a bank reconciliation statement that ends with the adjusted cash balance, identify each of the following reconciling items as addition to the bank balance, to the balance per bank statement, or deduction from the balance per bank statement. Letter C, addition to the balance per book of the depositor, or letter D, deduction to the balance per book of the depositor. Now, gusto ko lang itong i-highlight, kulayan ko lang para mas ma-emphasize, adjusted cash balance. Ang ibang term na ginagamit natin dyan ay correct cash balance or adjusted cash in bank or adjusted book balance. Kasi when we are using the adjusted bank reconciliation, yung nasa bottom figure, equal naman yan. So regardless kung ano yung naming dyan, mapa-adjusted cash balance man yan, adjusted cash in bank, adjusted book balance, or simply the correct cash balance, iisa lang naman ang pinupunto niyan, which is the correct balance of your cash account after you do the bank reconciliation. So, proceed tayo dito sa question number 1. Ano ang effect? Kaninong reconciling ito? Proceeds of loan granted by the bank. Nakatanggap yung depositor, yung company ng loan kasi nangutang siya. So, eventually, nag-grant ito. Pumasok ito sa kanyang bank account. Normally, pag granted na ni-loan na amount, magki-credit na lang ito sa bank account. And then, kapag nag-generate ka ng bank statement, makikita mo doon, pumasok na pala. Okay? So, pag meron kang proceeds of loan granted by the bank, it is already reflected in the records of your bank account. Nadagdag na siya doon. Pero, because this is a timing difference, hindi pa ito nagre-reflect sa record mo sa book, sa ledger ng iyong cash account. So, ang sagot natin dito for number 1 is letter C. Okay? This is an addition to the balance per book of the depositor. How about sa number 2? Bank debit memo for cost of checks printed. Meron kang bank debit memo for the cost of checks printed. So, this is a cost on the part of the company, on the part of the depositor or kung sino man yung may-ari na yon, na debit ito doon sa record mo sa bank statement. Ibig sabihin ng na-debit, nabawas ito. Kasi pag kinikredit ito doon sa side ni bank, meron kang naidagdag na pera. Kaya nga pag may mga credit memo, addition yan doon sa bank statement mo. Pag debit memo, kabawasan. So binawas ito doon sa bank statement. Ang gawin natin, ibawas din natin ito doon sa record mo sa libro. I-effect natin siya. The answer for number 2 is letter D. Okay? Deduction to the balance per book of the depositor. Proceed tayo sa question number 3. Customer's check returned by the bank mark the if. Anong ibig sabihin ng the if? The if stands for drawn against insufficient funds, or yung tinatawag natin na NSF, no sufficient fund or insufficient funds. Eto, customer check na ibinalik ng bangko, mark the if. Customer, so ikaw yung seller, ibig sabihin may pumasok sa'yo na cheque. Sa'yo, alam mo na meron kang cheque na natanggap. And when we receive check, it is as good as cash. So, sa record ng depositor, dinagdag na ito. Nag-debit na siya ng cash and credit accounts receivable for that purpose. And then, pinasa niya na ito, finorward niya na ito sa kanyang bangko para maideposito. Ibinalik sa kanya ng bank kasi drawn against insufficient fund. Kulang daw yung pondo. So, anong magiging effect nito? Sa record ng bank, wala siyang dinagdag. Walang ipinasok. Sa record mo, meron kang ipinasok. Daif naman yon, kulang yung pondo. I-reverse natin yung journal entry mo. I-debit mo ulit yung accounts receivable, i-credit mo yung cash. So, ang effect niyan is letter D, deduction to the balance per book of the depositor. So, that is the answer for number 3. Proceed tayo sa question number 4. Check drawn for 1,600 but inadvertently recorded by the depositor as 160 pesos. This is an error. Kaninong side? Is it the book or the bank? Sino ang nagkamali? Inadvertently, nagkamali na ma-record ng depositor, so the side of the books. So book error ito. So ang pagpipilian lang natin dyan, either letter C or letter D. Check drawn. Nag-issue tayo ng 1,600 yung halaga ng cheque, no? Pero ang nai-record mo, 160. Kulang ang nai-record mo. Nag-debit ka ng accounts payable, nag-credit ka ng cash for 160 when it should be 1,600. So, bawasan natin yung difference, 1,600 minus 160 pesos. O yung difference na yun yung i-record natin as adjusting entry para may adjust natin yung amount from 160 papuntang 1,600. So, the answer for number 4 is letter D. Deduction to the balance per book of the depositor. Now, for number 5, note collected by the bank in behalf of the depositor. Normally, kapag nag-issue ka ng notes receivable, ikaw si seller, yung buyer mo, nagbigay ng notes in settlement of an account. So, instead na accounts receivable, promissory note. Ngayon, kapag sinettle niya na yung kanyang utang, ide-deposito niya yung cheque doon sa bank account mo. Normal naman kasi siya ngayon through issuance of checks. So dito, nadagdagan yung bank account mo without you knowing it yet until such time na kumuha ka na ng bank statement para makita yung balanse mo, saka mo lang napansin, may pumasok na note o collected by the bank in behalf of the depositor. So for number 5, that is an addition. Okay, addition to the balance per book of the depositor. That is number 5, letter C. Proceed naman tayo sa number 6. Check issued by another depositor charged by the bank against the company's account. Anong tawag natin dito? This is an error. Sino ang nagkamali? Yung book or your bank? Ang nagkamali dito ay yung bank. Sabi kasi dito, charged by the bank against the company's account. Para yun sa ibang depositor. O kunwari ang pangalan mo ay AAA. Pero ang pangalan ng isang depositor, AAB. Nagkamali si bangko na i-charge sa'yo pero para kay AAB yun. So that is a bank error. The answer for number 6 is letter A. Kasi ang dating niyan, binawasan kasi diba, charged by the bank against the company's account. Hindi naman para sa'yo yun, ibalik natin. So number 6, letter A tayo. Addition to the balance per bank statement. Next, number 7, a deposit for 9,600 erroneously recorded by the depositor as 6,900. This is an example of an error on the side of the books. So this is book error. Erroneously, nagkamali na i-record na depositor, imbis na 9,600 yung deposit, ang na-record niya 6,900. Kunwari galing ito sa receivable, collection of a receivable, nag-debit ka ng cash, nag-credit ka ng accounts receivable. instead na 9669. So dagdagan natin. Kunin natin yung difference nitong dalawang amount, 96 minus 6,900. The difference will be a debit to cash and a credit to your accounts receivable. So for number 7, the answer is letter C, addition to the balance per book of the depositor. O, ganyan natin ito ina-analyze para hindi masayang yung puntos kapag ito ay quiz or part ng exam. Now, for number 8, deposit in transit. O, madali lang ito. This is a reconciling item on the part of the bank, addition. So, number 8, the answer is letter A. Deposit in transit is an addition. O, on the other hand naman, yung number 9, outstanding check, this is also a reconciling item on the part of the bank. O, this is a deduction from the balance per bank statement. Okay? O, last item, bank service charge. Ano ito? Kanino ito ang reconciling item? Naibawas na ito sa bank statement mo, nabawasan ang pera mo sa bangko, bawasan din natin ang pera mo sa libro. The answer is letter D, deduction to the balance per book of the depositor. Okay? So, yan yung 10 questions natin to assess, to analyze your reconciling items kung kanino ba ito, mapa-book man yan or mapa-bank. So, I hope naintindihan ninyo itong konsepto ng mga reconciling items. I'll see you around next time. Bye-bye!